Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jewin Jinson, and I'm from Department of AI and Data Science Engineering. Today, for my capstone project for Samsung Innovation Campus's AI course, I've built a museum artifact recognition system which uses two models to recognize artifacts in museums. The two models is because of the selection of models that are done. One is ResNet 50, trained on an ImageNet, and the second is CLIP. The reason I'm choosing two models is that ResNet 50 is a closed set model, so it can recognize only the images from the dataset it has been trained on. And CLIP is a broader set, so it can detect artifacts from throughout the world, but it won't be as accurate as ResNet 50 is. And ResNet 50 is trained on the dataset from Met API, which is a collection of images from the Met Museum. The reason, and CLIP is an open source model from OpenAI, which uses language, text, and image to detect which type of artifact it is. It cannot give what artifact it is, it can give a general idea of where it is from, which era, and the civilization it is from. And CLIP uses a cosine similarity function to determine where it is from, all these factors. So to show a demo, this test image is an image that is not from the museum, that is not in the dataset. So ResNet 50 won't be able to identify it accurately. That is why we have the CLIP model as a backup. The CLIP model can determine which era, which civilization, and what it might be about the image. So as you can see, the first one is the ResNet 50's accuracy. Since it gives confidence scores and we know how accurate it is. And all of these are below 30, so that kicks in the CLIP model. And the CLIP model can detect which century, which civilization, and the type of object it is. Now, apart from this, since ResNet 50 is not able to determine what type of artifact it is, we also have a feedback loop. So if we say that these answers are not correct, we can give it back as feedback, and these images will be stored in a file and CSV. The text will be stored in a CSV file. With enough images and data, we could also retrain the model in the future. Now, if we use an image from the dataset, this is an image from the dataset from the API. You could see the confidence score is very high, and then it has detected the item correctly. Also, it also gives information regarding the item from the dataset. And I've also used a Grok API to create a summary of the artifact. So this gives an idea of what the artifact is and gives more information than what the ResNet 50 can do. And that is my project for the capstone.